Don't download Composer Automated Strategy app before watching this. Thinking about Composer Automated Strategy app? Pause for a moment. Most people assume it's a magic button that will make investment decisions for you flawlessly. The surprising truth is that while Composer automates strategies, it's still highly dependent on your inputs and risk choices. Composer is designed for investors who want to automate trading strategies across multiple asset classes. You can set rules for when to buy, sell, or rebalance portfolios, and the app executes trades automatically. This sounds appealing, but most people get this wrong. They underestimate how crucial it is to monitor and adjust these strategies over time. Market conditions change, and an automated approach without oversight can lead to unexpected losses. The app supports diversified portfolios, including stocks, ETFs, and crypto in some regions. It's especially useful for tech-savvy investors who understand algorithmic strategies and want to implement them without manually executing every trade. But if you're new to investing or unsure about risk management, Composer may feel overwhelming. One feature that stands out is backtesting. You can test your strategy against historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. While this is helpful, remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. In conclusion, don't download Composer if you're expecting a fully hands-off, foolproof investing solution. The app works best for experienced investors who understand strategy design, risk management, and market timing. With careful planning, it can automate trades efficiently, but without proper knowledge, you could end up with unintended results. Approach it with caution and respect its complexity, and you'll find it a powerful tool for smart, automated investing.